Hey guys, this is Kelly Tapper, Machine Shop Manager at Karl Kustoms. Here at Karl Kustoms, we have all the equipment and expertise to help you with your builds, whether it be circle track, drag racing, truck pulling, or any other build in between. We've been building championship-proven race engines for decades. We've researched and developed the proven combinations to put you in victory lane for almost every application, including circle track, drag racing, truck pulling, and much more. Our street engines are proven and reliable as well. If you're looking for a numbers-matching restoration engine or even a wild LS build, we have the capabilities and team to make it happen. If a GM crate engine is what suits your needs, we can bolt on all accessories before it even leaves the shop. With all our engines, we put them on an engine dyno, break them in, and make sure everything is working properly. So when you receive your engine, you just drop it in and go. If you'd like to know more, stop in, shop online, or give us a call today.